I'm sure you can probably tell that I am not Michael, and you would be right. However, I do have a new purple iPhone 14 Pro Max and some new cases sent from Casetify, so let's check them out. Hi guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. Let me introduce myself. My name's Kylie and I am Michael's wife, and today I'm going to bring you some cases from Casetify for my new deep purple iPhone 14 Pro Max. Casetify reached out to the channel and asked if they could send some new cases for review, and I'm not gonna lie guys, when I saw them I was like, yes, that's a bit of me. So let's check them out. I really quite like the packaging actually. It says lens protector. Okay. Yep, that's a bit of me. Both these cases are the Ultra Impact range that they do for the iPhones, and they are both Magsafe compatible. So let's check them out. Okay, so first off it says that this sheet is made from 50% recycled material, and what I did notice as well is it says this case is made from recycled phone cases, so that's good. So first impressions, it feels definitely quite solid, but it's not heavy by any means. It seems quite light, and I have a set of scales here, so let's see, 67 grams, not too bad. Yeah, let's put it on the phone and see what it's like, because I'm currently rocking it naked, and if you know me, no, not good. So let's put this in camera bump first, as I'm always reminded by Michael. So I have went for leopard print transparent, just because with the deep purple is one of my favorite colors actually. I've just realized I'm wearing purple. So yeah, the feel of this actually, it has a textured feel. So when I rub my finger down this, like the pattern's textured, so you know, you can feel it, like it's not smooth, which is quite nice. First impressions, it fits really well. Like, it doesn't seem as if it's loose or that it's going to fall out or anything like that. And as you can see, the lip is quite decent on it. Like, so if I set this down on a surface, I'm not worried about the screen getting scraped or anything like that. So it has the 4 Eco Shot corners and has 11.5 foot drop protection, which for me, yeah, I need. Out round, the top is covered, the sides, the bottom, you'll see it has the holes there for your lightning cable and your speakers. And yeah, the buttons are good, they click well, and yeah, I like a good click. Yeah, it seems to be well secured and protected all round, especially with the corners. So, and also, as you can see, we've got the Magsafe here, so let's do the Magsafe test. This phone, now bear in mind, because this time I went for the Pro Max, my last phone was the 13, which was a bit lighter, so I have went for a heavier phone this time. So let me just see. Oh, yeah, that seems to be quite. Now I see Michael do this all the time, and I'm like, oh, that phone's gonna drop. Okay, so it can take the weight of the stand, and like, it's not really. Now, it took a fair few shakes of that for that to drop, but I'm actually really impressed with that. Like, it's not, you can feel the magnets. So yeah, I did get 2 cases, so let me just show you the other case that I got, which, yeah, it's quite pretty. This case was made for you. Oh, thank you very much. Just note, in case you do get one of these, there's a bit of plastic inside. Just make sure you take it off. I nearly missed it, but there's a wee lip in the inside where you can see, and just pull it off. So this second one that I have picked it looks like lovely hand painted hearts, polka dot hearts on there, and again I went for the clear because I mean, deep purple, I want to appreciate and to see the colour. I'm not going to go for purple and put a cover on that's going to hide it, to be honest. So I'm going to try this one on now just to see. And I believe we take it off from the bottom. Yeah guys, they're a real good fit. They're not, once that phone's in there, it really does feel secure. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, look at that purple. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Multicoloured, and can see the purple through it. Now I know you can with Magsafe, obviously you're going to see that ring in there, but it doesn't really bother me. So yeah, that is my two cases. I'll leave you a link down below to these two cases, and while you're there you can go over to the Casetify website and check out the wide range that they have on there, because I'm not gonna lie guys, it was hard for me to decide. I'm indecisive at the best of times anyway, so it took me quite a long time to whittle it down just to two. So the range on there is endless. I could have had half a dozen if not more. So yeah, I'm more than happy with these two, so check them out and see what you think. So guys, what's your thoughts? Do you think I picked well? Would it be something that you would go for? Which one of these would be your favourite? Let me know down in the comments below. So guys, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Would really, really appreciate it. And also, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and ring that little bell for notifications of videos just like this one. And until the next one guys, see you later.